Guys, Crypto With Dinny, it's Dinny here. It's good to see you. It's great to see you. Hope you're feeling good. I just shared my article there. I was on buzz.ie chatting about where the market goes. I give it a lowdown. I give it a summary once I get by this big lorry. Remember your daily exercise. Give the like button a nice little press. A nice gentle press today. Will do lovely. Give the subscribe button a hit. Become part of the community. Have the crack with us. What else was I going to say? Nothing here is financial advice. No financial advice, alright? Just finished private consulting there. Doing a consulting session. Good. Made a plan of action. Went pretty well. I even got a testimonial off the client, so I'll whack that up on maybe later. I'll put it on my Instagram story. You can check it out and see how people find when they do the consulting with me. But yeah, so the JJ from Buzz was rang me and says, "What's the crack this market, Dinny? Where is it going? Tell me what's happening." And I says, I sent them back my voicemail was it's going up forever, JJ, just buy Bitcoin. And obviously that wasn't good enough for the article. They can't just say that. They'll think that's crazy. But that was my original response. So Dennis says, okay, I'll elaborate on it. Well, Bitcoin is in a 13-year bull run because it's set higher highs and higher lows for 13 years. So that's what a bull trend looks like. That's what a bull run is. So we're in a bull trend since Bitcoin began with large volatility, meaning that sometimes it goes down 50%, but bear in mind Bitcoin is up 30 million%, so you can't go up 30 million without coming down some 50s. So in the short term though, where do we go and what's going on? Well, what I'm seeing, what I'm noticing is recently we have been setting higher highs and higher lows, meaning the market is starting to turn a little bit more bullish, a bit more confidence in the market. People aren't as afraid anymore, and we're seeing Bitcoin rally. We rallied about 25-30% since the lows. So it looks to me like the market is starting to regain more confidence. Maybe it's a bull trap and we collapse back down, or maybe we continue this bullish momentum. The next thing you're seeing is, if you look, like, Bitcoin as a crypto investment is the least risky thing that you can buy in crypto, alright? So when a market is more bullish, that means people don't buy as much Bitcoin and they buy more Ethereum or they buy more altcoins. You know, retail people, they speculate, they try and beat the market. Bitcoin's not doing well enough for them, 30 million% isn't enough. You know, or if you just came in this year, you're like, alright, I need to outperform Bitcoin, so I'm going to buy whatever altcoin. But that doesn't really happen in a bear market. People don't buy altcoins, or they don't buy as much of these more speculative assets, alright? So in more bearish trends, we see that when you see the liquidity, the money start to move back into the altcoins, and an easy way to look at that is the BTC, the ETH to BTC pairing, alright? And if that pairing is setting bullish patterns, okay, or a bullish trend in that it's setting higher highs and higher lows, well, that to me is an indicator that the market is starting to regain a bit more confidence, because people are coming out the risk curve a little bit, and they're starting to speculate on things that are a little bit more risky than Bitcoin being the least risk. So that to me is a trend that the market is starting to regain a bit of confidence, and you know, retail are starting to speculate in altcoins again. They're buying them because they won't buy them when the market is red, which is the best time to buy them. But alright, the next thing, we have bullish news, of course, and it's mad how much this thing goes from crypto winter, 2-year bear market, forget it, everyone go home, to massively bullish news. Russia are now treating cryptocurrency as currency, alright, and that's interesting. What way is it taxed then if it's a currency? Is there any tax on it if there's a currency? Who knows? But that's just very recent news today. KPMG, one of the largest accounting firms, like very conservative company, you'd have to say, largest in the world, this week put Bitcoin and Ethereum on their balance sheet. Very bullish news. So a lot of bullish news happening and helping to bring a bit of momentum back into the market. You know my take on it. Up, down, left, right, who cares? It's a 13-year bull run, so if I get bearish trends, I like them. They're a gift for me. That's what I was teaching my client there this morning, is that these bearish trends are gifts to us because we're in a 13-year bull run. And when we get pullbacks, it's a gift and we must take advantage of them, as opposed to doing what the opposite of what is instinctive to us as humans, is to only buy when the price is going up and to not buy when the price is dumping and red and there's really bearish news. Anyway, that's my short take on what went down on the Buzz article. You can check it out there. My podcast with Geek Boy, getting amazing feedback from that. So Geek Boy is an anonymous Bitcoin meme artist. He's known Max Kaiser for 15 years. Max Kaiser is possibly one of the biggest Bitcoin bulls in the world. It has been since Bitcoin was under $1. He's been screaming at people and telling people to buy Bitcoin and explaining why they should own Bitcoin. He hasn't changed his tune, but Geek Boy has known Max for 15 years, so he's a very unique perspective on Bitcoin. He was first exposed in 2011. He understands a lot of the Bitcoin philosophy, Bitcoin understanding. So go check out that podcast. That is on my YouTube channel, Crypto With Dinny. Give the channel a subscribe. And I've had some great guests. I've been filming podcasts this week, and looking forward to bringing you them. We're bringing out one a week, so that's exciting. Guys, have a super day. Enjoy it. Hit the like button if you haven't. Subscribe to the channel. Have the crack. Become part of the community. This is where we learn how to build Bitcoin and crypto retirement plans for our future. So it's not get rich quick, but it's get very rich slowly. Or maybe not slowly. Get very rich over a decade. How about that? Boom, Dinny out.